Create a step-down den adjacent to a kitchen to give overflow guests a comfortable, proximate place to relax while preserving visual and functional connection to meal prep. Design the sunken seating area so the floor is lowered by about 4 to 6 inches to create a distinct zone without building steps that break flow. Choose durable upholstery such as performance fabrics made from solution-dyed acrylic or coated polyester for easy cleaning and long wear. Select tight weaves and stain-resistant finishes, and keep removable cushion covers so you can machine wash or replace them. Install an integrated media bay recessed into one wall with ventilation and a shallow depth television or projector screen mounted at eye height from the lowered seating, and route wiring through the soffit or base plate to keep cable clutter out of sight. Place a washable, low-pile rug anchored under the front 2/3 of the seating run to protect high-traffic areas and to make quick spot cleaning simpler. Choose rug pads that resist slippage and allow airflow to avoid moisture trapping. Add a pass-through bar or raised counter between the kitchen and den with a ledge height of about 36 inches for casual plates and drinks, and a lower 3-inch lip to prevent spills from sliding off when the floor levels differ. Improve acoustics by specifying fabric-wrapped panels on the den side and resilient underlayment beneath the kitchen floor to reduce impact and airborne noise transfer without isolating the social connection. Common mistakes include making the sunken area too deep, which creates a trench effect and makes furniture placement awkward, so keep the drop modest and test sightlines from standing kitchen positions before finalizing. People often choose plush, light-colored fabrics that stain easily. Instead, pick performance textiles and give removable covers to cushions for laundering. Another frequent issue is poor circulation and dim lighting, which causes the den to feel like a cave. Add layered lighting with dimmable recessed cans, wall sconces at seating height, and a task light at the pass-through bar so the space feels bright when needed and cozy otherwise. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and share project inspiration for kitchen-adjacent dens so families can find options that match their lifestyle. We also help contractors reach nearby clients and participate in our discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange real-world tips.